he's really loving this. He's looking to me for help. Mom! He's hiding. Mom, save me. Now, what do you think?
Shimmy got into it yesterday.
Here, let me.
Just for your own good job.
This hurts me more than it hurts you. Let me move because he's hiding behind me.
Come here, baby. No.
He's still looking to me for a rescue. Well, what do you think? Does he want it or not?